All right, the goal in the first problem is to convert the concentration 36% weight by weight into a percent weight per volume. Let's start by converting that percentage into a fraction. It's 36 grams of the active hydrochloric acid per 100 grams of total solution. The goal here is to convert this into the grams of hydrochloric acid, which we already have, into per mil of solution, which we don't know. So we have to convert grams of solution to mils of solution, and we're given the solution specific gravity to do that. All right, so we can set up 1.18 grams solution per mil of solution, and we want to know for 100 grams of solution how many mils is that. So X is 100 divided by 1.18, and that should be about 84.75, and that's in milliliters. So we'll put 84.75 here and divide that through, times by 100. Answer I got was 42.5% weight per volume. Second question, what's the percent weight per volume of a 20% volume per volume glycerol solution? So we have the concentration, which is 20 mils of glycerol per 100 mils of solution. And goal is to figure out how many grams of glycerol this is, and then the volume on the bottom is fine, because we want it as a percent weight per volume. All right, so we're given two specific gravities here, and the question is, do we use the solution density or do we use the specific gravity of glycerol? And since the solution units are fine as milliliters, it's the glycerol we need to change. So we'll use the specific gravity of glycerol. Okay, so bringing that down here, 1.26 grams glycerol per mil of glycerol. How many grams of glycerol is 20 mils? So 20 times 1.26. And so X equals 25.2 grams of glycerol. So we'll put that up here, 25.2 grams of glycerol. That's already per 100, so that's our percent. You could divide it through and times it by 100, but either way, you get 25.2%, and it's now as a weight per volume.